Hello students, today we will continue our ninth chapter and today's topic is saving a file with a password. To save your file with password, first of all click on File. In File, click on Save As. In Save As, click Save with Password option. Here by default name of your file is document1. Instead of that, enter password to open a file. Enter your password, then confirm your entered password. Press OK. When you will confirm your entered password, close that file. Automatically it will be saved on your desktop. Enter your password and press OK. If it is incorrect, it will not open your file. Enter correct password, then click OK. Your file will get opened. So this is how we have to save our file using password. Now, document view. Writer provides three different ways to view a document. They are print layout view, web layout, full screen. Each of them is discussed in brief herewith. First, we will see print layout view. The default view option in Writer is the print layout view. It will show you the document in the similar manner as it will be printed within the print layout. The document can be viewed in single page, side-by-side pages and book style. To switch from one sub-menu to another sub-menu view, respective icons shown on status bar are selected. Document can be edited in any of these three layouts. Within any layout view, magnification can also be changed using zoom slider shown on the status bar shown in figure. Magnification can be reduced or amplified by clicking on the plus and minus sign or by dragging the zoom slider. Alternatively, right-click on the zoom label percentage and then choose the desired value. Web layout view. In web layout view, no margin, no bold, no italic effect or no justification unlike print layout view is visible. Figure shows a document opened in web layout view. The options of the zoom and view layout dialog box here are disabled. We can use zoom slider in web layout view. Next, we will see full screen view. In full screen view, title bar, menu bar and status bar are not visible. The content and the full screen icon is visible. Rulers are also visible if it is enabled. Escape key is pressed or full screen icon is clicked to exit full screen view. Another way to come out from the full screen view is to press Ctrl plus Shift plus J. You can also choose View Zoom from the menu bar to display the Zoom and View Layout dialog box, where you can set the same options as on the status bar. Now, next we will see choosing a document and closing triple window, that is OpenOffice ORG window. To close document, select File, Close or click the Close icon on the left top of the document window. On the document window, by doing so, the document and the writer will be closed if only one document is opened. If more than one window is open, then the current window will be closed and the other OpenOffice ORG windows will remain open. If the document has not been saved since last change, a message box is displayed. You will have three options: save, discard and cancel. If you choose save, the document is saved and then closed. In case when discard is chosen, all modifications since the last save are lost and the document is closed. If cancel is chosen, then nothing happens and you return to the document. Writer can also be closed by selecting File, Exit. Writer provides several forms of help. By pressing F1 or full help can be attained or selecting Help. Open Office ORG Help from the menu bar. Thank you for listening. Tomorrow we will solve MCQ questions of this chapter. Till then, take care.